a homemade way to clean your shower that removes limescale like an expensive store-bought cleaner. I've been using it for over 30 years. Start with dish soap, something everyone has at home. It easily breaks down grease, grime, and soap residue. Measure about 10 fluid ounces of dish soap and pour it into a bowl. Add 1 tablespoon of toothpaste. It contains gentle but effective microabrasives that help remove buildup and add shine. Next, pour in about 14 fluid ounces of vinegar. Vinegar works as a natural descaler, dissolving limescale, removing streaks, and restoring a smooth finish. To dilute the mixture, add 1 cup of water. Another key ingredient is baking soda. It boosts the cleaning power and helps tackle even stubborn dirt. Pour the mixture onto the shower tray and tiles, scrub thoroughly with a broom to reach every corner, then remove the excess liquid and dry the surfaces. The result is a sparkling clean shower with limescale gone, just like after using an expensive product. This mixture also works well for cleaning the toilet. Simple and effective. Sprinkle and pour it on the bathroom floor. The dirt will be gone. All you need is a homemade mixture that works wonders on dirty tiles. It's made only with everyday household ingredients, and that's all it takes to create the perfect cleaner. Pour 2 teaspoons of laundry detergent into a bowl and add about 2 cups of boiling water. Stir until the detergent fully dissolves. Add about ½ cup of fabric softener, any scent you like. Then pour in 3 tablespoons of white vinegar. Finally, add 3 tablespoons of dish soap and about 4 cups of water. Mix everything thoroughly. Grab an empty bottle and pour this powerful, fresh-smelling cleaner into it, and you're good to go. When your floor is dirty, sprinkle some baking soda over it. Then pour the homemade cleaner right on top. The combination of baking soda and this solution will take care of all the grime. For tougher spots, scrub the floor with a broom or a brush. Then mop as usual. I promise, your floor will be cleaner than ever before. Keep parchment paper in the bathroom. Its use is not only surprising, but most importantly, it works. This trick will help you quickly and efficiently clean your bathroom. Use regular parchment paper to polish the metal elements in your bathroom. This method leaves no streaks and effectively removes dirt from surfaces. You'll quickly notice how clean the surfaces become. The sink and silver bathroom fixtures will shine like never before. It's a simple, fast, and cheap method, and its results are truly surprising. Stick it onto your bathroom tiles. You'll never see limescale on them again, and the mold and the grout, gone. All without using harsh chemicals. This trick completely changed my bathroom cleaning routine. All you need to do is spray the tiles. The rest is done by a special kind of paper. Just press it onto the tiles and leave it for a few minutes. To prepare it, you only need a few ingredients that you definitely have at home. You'll never waste money on expensive cleaners again. Grab a spray bottle. Take one of these little packets. It's citric acid. Pour the entire packet of citric acid into the bottle. Add water. Close the bottle and give it a good shake. The citric acid needs to dissolve completely. Spray the mixture generously all over the tiles where the problem is. Stick toilet paper onto the tiles, on the wall by the shower, or lower down above the shower tray. Because you sprayed the tiles first, the paper will stick easily. For even better results, spray the paper too. Make sure it's fully soaked. After 20 to 30 minutes, peel the paper off the tiles. It will come off effortlessly. Rinse the tiles thoroughly. Just look at the result. They shine beautifully. With no trace of limescale, citric acid dissolves it perfectly. And on top of that, it smells fresh. Add toothpaste to salt. Let me show you what happens when you mix these 2 ingredients. The result of this combination is brilliant and will definitely surprise you. When my grandmother told me about it, I didn't expect it to work so well. I'm sure you have the products needed for this trick at home. First, take some table salt and put 2 teaspoons into a small bowl. Then, add about 10 centimeters of toothpaste. The next ingredient, which makes the mixture even better, is dish soap. Add 1 teaspoon of dish soap. Mix everything thoroughly to form a uniform paste. This mixture has incredible cleaning power, and it has stopped me from buying expensive detergents. You can use it to clean your entire sink and faucet, just like I do. Our mixture removes all limescale, thoroughly disinfects surfaces, and leaves a great shine. After applying, wait a few minutes and rinse everything with water. Look at the result. It's fantastic. I hope you'll start using this trick too. Pour liquid on the bag. The effect is shocking. Take a regular plastic bag and pour a bleach-based detergent on it. Then add some dishwasher rinse aid. Now, use this mixture to clean the silver elements in your bathroom. This combination works wonders, making silver surfaces shine effortlessly. Cleaning your bathroom has never been this easy. A simple trick for a clean bathroom. Wash your bathroom walls this way, and the tiles will shine for a long time. It only takes a moment, and your bathroom will sparkle. You wouldn't believe what builds up on the tiles in your bathroom. With this trick, you'll easily remove all the dust from the tiles. Plus, it will prevent more dirt from settling. This trick adds shine to the cleaned surfaces. All you need are Swiffer cloths and a mop. Attach a cloth to the mop and start wiping down all the walls in the bathroom, even those high up near the ceiling that are usually hard to reach. After a moment, look at the mop. You couldn't see it with the naked eye on the wall. Once you've wiped down all the walls, take a second cloth and wipe them all again. Now they will stay clean for a long time. I repeat this process once a month, and I highly recommend you start doing the same. All you need is a Swiffer. Mold and the grout in your shower will disappear in minutes. If you've got mold in your bathroom, you can quickly and effectively remove it with this simple home remedy that always works. You only need 2 ingredients to prepare this solution. First, get a spray bottle. A spray bottle is perfect for this trick. Place a funnel in the bottle's opening to make pouring easier. Add 2 teaspoons of dish soap to the bottle. Then pour in a cup of vinegar. Vinegar effectively kills bacteria and mold. Mix the solution thoroughly. This mixture removes dirt, unpleasant odors, and mold. Now just spray the mixture on the bathroom wall tiles, shower doors, and moldy grout, which is often found around the shower. Wipe it down with a cloth and dry thoroughly. You'll quickly notice how the surfaces become clean and shiny. In no time, they will look like new. It removes 83% of mold and fungus types from grout. This natural cleaning solution is cheap and effective. The silicone will look like new. Squeeze the juice from 2 lemons. They contain natural citric acid, which acts as a mild antifungal and antibacterial agent. It can inhibit mold growth. Add 1 tablespoon of salt to the juice and mix well. Pour the entire mixture into a spray bottle. The most important part is how you use the mixture. Spray it on the grout and silicone where mold has appeared. Then, do not wipe it off. Cover it with plastic wrap. This will strengthen and speed up the effect. After 10 minutes, remove the plastic wrap and wipe with a sponge. The salt will help mechanically remove the mold. This is a completely natural and safe method for cleaning the shower. I repeat this process every 2 weeks.